A gentle melody hums through the house as a mother, wearing a hijab and a long, flowing dress, gathers her children around. The room is warm, filled with the comforting smell of fresh tea. She begins to narrate a story that carries with it the weight of Islamic history. In the opening scene, Umar ibn al-Khattab strides furiously through the streets of Mecca. His sword is drawn, and the shadows cast by the setting sun stretch long behind him, symbolizing his deep anger and the burden of his misconceptions. With a fierce determination, he pushes open the door to his sister's house, intending to confront her. The force of his entrance causes a Qur'anic scroll to slip from a table onto the floor. As Umar picks it up, his mind races, adrenaline pumps. But then, his eyes begin to scan the familiar script of Surah Taha. As he reads each verse, the storm within him starts to calm. His breath slows, his heart begins to soften. The anger that once filled his soul evaporates, replaced by a profound sense of peace. Tears stream down his cheeks, carving a path through the dust and sweat. "Take me to Muhammad," he whispers, his voice trembling with resolve and newfound clarity. In the closing scene, Umar stands among the Muslims. The rage that once drove him has transformed into strength and protection. No longer is he an enemy, but a steadfast pillar of Islam. His figure, once cloaked in darkness, now radiates light, a symbol of his transformation from ignorance to enlightenment. The triumphant and serene tones of the story's background music envelop the narrative, reflecting the gradual peace that descends upon Umar. The visuals pursue this transition, Umar's journey from anger and darkness to a powerful glow, illustrating not just a personal change, but the timeless story of finding truth and guidance. The mother's voice fades, leaving her children reflective, pondering the true essence of Umar's transformation. The warmth of the household persists as they carry the lesson forward, holding on to the profound impact of guidance and belief.